mark. Xi is called class mark. What is meant by class mark means upper limit plus lower limit by 2.
Right.
Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Okay, children. And Fi means frequency, children. Okay, and X is mean. X dash is mean, children. Fi is frequency. Fi is frequency. So, children, he's asking what is find. He's asking find sigma Fi xi minus mean. He's asking like that, children. Question. Try to see, children. He's asking sigma Fi xi minus mean. He's asking, children. So, children, if ever you remember, normally we have mean formula is equal to Fi xi minus Fi. This is a question. So what is Fi means? What is Fi means? Fi means Fi into Fi into mean. Substitute this here, children. Summation of, instead of this, I'll put Fix minus x. Okay, children. So this is the answer. Those who are not able to understand, slowly I will say, don't worry about this summation, children. Don't worry about the summation. Okay, summation means addition. Don't worry, children. Again, I'm saying, children, we know mean is equal to Fi by Fi. We know. Okay, so Fi means Fi into mean. Fi into mean. In this formula, substitute Fi is equal to this sigma Fi mean minus mean is the answer. Sigma. That is the answer. That's it. That's it. Just remember this, children. This is a one mark question. Don't worry about that. Next question, children. To divide a
Sir,
line
no
six.
need to take mean common, sir, if
No
we
need.
want to
No.
simplify more.
It's a summation. No, you should not take mean common. It's a summation. If it is normal equation, we can take.
Okay, sir.
So, children, please see here, children. There is a line segment 7 centimeters. There is a line segment 7 centimeters, children. We have to divide in 4:5 ratio. If you draw acute angle, into how many parts will this divide this line, children?
Nine.
Anyone?
9 part.
5 plus 4, 9 parts we will divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts we will divide. And what we will do, just revision. What we will do? Ninth point we will touch to the tip, and from the fourth part we will draw parallel. From ninth part we will touch to the tip, and fourth part we will draw parallel line. How to draw parallel line? Put here, take this distance, and attach it. And that's it. Okay? Simple, children. Very easy question. 13th question. Find K if the given system has a unique solution. If the given system has unique solution, children, find K. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Kx minus 6y is equal to 8. Unique solution. Find K if it is unique. What is the condition for unique, children? A1 by
A1
A2.
by A2
Is not equal to
1 by
B1 by
B2.
B2.
2 by
Okay.
K is equal
Is
to
not equal
not
to.
equal to 3 by minus 6.
Okay. Bring this here. Bring this here. Minus 12 is not equal to 3K.
3K, K is not equal to minus
So
4.
except k minus 4, anything is okay. So k should not be equal to minus 4. K should not be equal to minus 4. Except minus 4, any number is okay. That is the answer. Okay, children, 13th one only orbit is there, children. 13th one only orbit is there. Find P and Q, children, if equation has infinite solutions. If equation has infinite solutions, 4x plus 5y is equal to 2. Other equation is 2p plus 7q into x plus p plus 8q into y is equal to 2q minus p plus 1. This is the equation, children. Okay, so infinite solutions, what is the condition, children? 4 by 2p plus 7q, 5 by p
5 by
plus 8q.
Q is equal to 2 by Q minus P plus 1.
If you equate this one, 4 into p, 4p
4P
plus
plus
32q.
2Q is equal
This
to
is equal to 10p plus 35q. This comes here, this goes here. Minus 3q is
minus
equal
3
to 6p.
equal to 6P.
So q is equal to minus 2p. This is one equation, children. This is one equation. Okay. Other equation, children. Please see here. Other equation. This both we will do it, children. This both. 5 2s are 10q.
10Q minus 5P plus 5 is equal to 2P
plus
plus
16 cube.
cube
Bring this here, children. Bring this there. 10
minus
cube minus 16
minus
cube.
is
2p.
equal to 2p plus 5p
And
plus
here
5.
plus 5 is there here only. So minus 6
And
cube
q
plus
plus
5.
5 is equal to 7p.
So minus
Six.
q is how much, children?
Minus 2p
Okay, so how much it is that?
plus 5 is equal to 7p. 12p plus 5 is equal to 7p. 12p minus 7p is equal to 7. So
1 second. 7 is equal to 7p minus 12p. 7 is equal to minus 5p. This goes here. So how much,
p is
children?
equal to minus 7 by 5p.
Minus 7 by 5.
Sir,
This
it's
is,
not 7, sir, it's 5.
which is 5? This is 5, Amma. Okay, this is 5. This is 5. Okay. So 5 is equal to minus 5p. This one p is equal to minus 1. So children, we know q is equal to minus 2p. How much, children? Q is equal to minus 2 into minus 1. Q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2. Okay, children? Like this we have to. Next question. Next question, children. One ticket is drawn at random, children. One ticket is drawn at random from bag containing 1 to 40. 1 to 40 tickets are there, children. Tickets. One ticket is, what is the probability? Select a number is a multiple of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. How many are there? 8 will be there. 3, 5, 6, 7. So what is the probability of multiple of 5? 8 by 40, that is 1 by 5.
1 by 5.
Or a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking. What is the probability of orange colored candy? Orange flavored
0.
candy.
0.
What is the
Impossible.
probability of lemon flavored candy? 1.
1.
Only lemon are there, so 1 is only probability. Maximum probability is 1 only, so 1 is the probability. The ratio of length of vertical rod and length of its shadow. Children, the ratio of the height and its length of the shadow. Ratio of height and length of its shadow is 1 by root 3. What is the angle of elevation? What is the angle of elevation? How will you tan theta is equal to h by L. Tan theta is equal to
1 by root 3 tan 30. Tan theta is equal to 1 tan 30. Tan cancel. Theta is equal to 30.
theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, children, hope you are able to understand 16th question. A letter of English alphabet is chosen and given the probability of letter is a consonant. Children, we did know, children. English alphabet letter. Okay, in English letter, we did this question. What is the probability of consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the probability of consonants, children? 5 by 8. 7. 5 by 7. This is the probability of consonants. Not vowels, consonants, children. What? Not vowels. Okay, children, next question. Children, I hope you all are practicing, and randomly I'm saying from Adi Sharma here and there all the sums so that you will get a understanding of all the lessons. Next question, see here, 21. 21st question, children. P of a by 3 comma 4 is the midpoint of minus 6 comma 5 minus 2 comma 3. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? Is the midpoint, he said. So a by 3 is equal to
minus
6
minus 2 by 2.
x1 by x2 by 2. A by 3 is equal to minus 6 minus
6
2 by
minus 2 by 2.
3.
A by 3 is equal to
Minus 8 by 2 minus 4. A is equal to 12.
minus 12. Hope you are all copying, children. Please keep copying. Don't sit idle, children. It is a practice session. Everyone should keep on doing so that you become fast, children. Please, it's a practice session, children. It's not just listening. Just practice all of it. Okay, children. So question is, children, P point X and Y is equidistant. Is equidistant from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Okay. He's asking what is the relationship between x and y? It's an equidistant, he said, children. For this distance formula, you have to put under
Under
root of
root
X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to under root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Root cancel. X square plus 9 minus 6 x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to x square
okay.
plus 9 plus 2 plus 6x plus y square plus 14y.
X square, y square, x square, y square cancel. 9 plus 36 is 45. Minus 6x minus 12y is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25. How much, children? Plus 6x minus 8y, children. So, children, what we'll do, this 6x you bring here, y also you bring here, 25 you take there. 45 minus 25 is 20, children. 6x plus 6x is 12x, children.
12x
12 minus 8 is 4y.
4y.
4 ones are, 4 threes are, 4 fives are. So 3x plus y is equal to 5 is the relation between x and y. Relation between x and y is 2 minus 2. Okay. Next one, children. Please see here, all of you. Next 22nd question, children. All of you, please see here. In an equilateral triangle, find the length of the altitude. Children, this is an equilateral triangle. Of side 3 root 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3. What is the length of the altitude? Means they have to find out this, children. In an equilateral triangle, altitude is the median. In equilateral triangle, altitude is the median. In equilateral triangle, altitude is the median. So, children, all of you please see here. So, children, this is 3 root 3. Whole thing is 3 root 3 means this is 3 root 3 by 2, children. If you want h, apply Pythagoras theorem, children. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Yes, children. You want to apply Pythagoras theorem, or you want to do with children? You want to do with trigonometry, or you want to apply Pythagoras theorem? Huh?
With ratios.
Okay, both methods are shown. If you want directly do with the trigonometry, means this is 60. All of you know. You have hypotenuse. You have to find opposite. Who will give opposite by hypotenuse, children? Sin 60 is equal to h by 3 root 3. Root 3 by 2 is equal to h by 3 root 3. This goes here. H is equal to 3 root 3 to 9 by 2, that is 4.5. This is one method. Or you can apply Pythagoras theorem, children. Forget about 60 degrees. Pythagoras theorem, if you apply, hypotenuse square is equal to h square plus 3 root 3 by 2 whole square. Like this also we can do. If you do 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 by 4. This comes here, children. So h square is equal to 27 minus 27 by 4. How much it will be, children? How much it will be? H square is equal to 4. 7 is 24 to 8, 9, 10. 108 minus 27. H square is equal to 181 by 4. H is equal to 9 by 2, children. That is 4.5 centimeters. Like this also you can do, children. Either you apply directly trigonometry or you apply Pythagoras theorem in triangles. This is trigonometry, this is triangles. Your wish, children. It's up to you.
sir. Can we also find out area and half into base into height? Can we do?
By area, you want? They didn't ask area.
No, sir. If we find out area, half into base into height also we can do, no, sir.
If you find area, yes, half into base into height. Super. Like that also we can do. Okay, like that also we can do. No problem. Absolutely. Okay, children, 23. E is the point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Children, ABCD is there, children. E is the point on side AD produced. E is the point on side AD produced. Parallelogram ABCD. B intersects CD. B intersects CD at F. Required to prove, all of you see here, children. We have to prove that ABE is similar to CFB. Children, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, children. We have to prove that ABE, children, this triangle is similar to this triangle. We have to prove. Can we prove, children, like that? Yes.
Sir, vertically opposite and alternate interior.
Angle A is equal to angle C. Why, children?
Alternate interior angle.
In parallelogram, opposite
Angles are equal.
Opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why, children?
Alternate angles.
Alternate interior angles of AE parallel to BC. A parallel to BC. Okay, children. So by AA similarity, AEB is similar to AEB is similar to A was taken as C, no children, so put C. E was taken as B, no children, put B. C, B, F. Try to understand. A was taken as C. A and C are equal. E and B are equal. E and B are equal, and B and F became mathematically equal. So AEB is similar to CFB. That's all.
So we can take vertically opposite also. Sir.
But no, you can't take, because this is part of the triangle. It will become. No, we want full triangle. Part of the triangle. If you take this, it will become part of the triangle. How can you take part of the triangle and see? Tell me.
Okay.
You can't take part of the triangle. Next one, children. Please see here, children. 24th question. 24th question. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Children, here I am drawing. So no, you can't see that. Draw a circle of 3 centimeters radius. Go to 6 centimeters, he's saying, outside, and from there draw tangents. Find the midpoint. From midpoint, draw the circle, and wherever they are meeting, join them like this. That's all. 25th question. Next, 25th question. Sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Children, sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Find secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. Children, tan theta is 12 by 13. Please see here, children. This is 12, this is 13. So automatically, how much it will be, children? If I was them? 5. So can anyone tell secant theta formula, children? Hypotenuse by adjacent.
13 by 5.
Can anyone say tan theta?
12 by 5.
12 by 5, 13 by 5, minus 12 by
12.
5. This is 27 by 5.
27
this
by
is
5. 1 by 5. 5 cancel. 27.
27. That's all. Easy sums, children. Okay. So next, all our board exam questions only I'm saying, children. I'm not saying anything on my own. Next, children. Let's see. Next, children. Given that 26th question, children. Please see here, all of you. Kindly concentrate, children, here. He is saying that 1 by x plus 2, 1 by x plus 3, 1 by x plus 5 are in AP. They are in AP. Find x. They are in AP. Children, if they are in AP, this
A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2.
Very good. So children, A2
1
minus
by
A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. This minus this will be equal to this minus this, because common differences are same. So A2 is how much, children?
1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 1 by x plus 5 minus 1 by x plus 3.
Children,
LCM x plus 3 into x plus 2. X plus 2 minus x plus 3.
Very good.
Next again LCM x plus 5 into x plus 3.
Okay.
X plus 3 minus x plus 4.
X
Open the
x
bracket.
plus 5. Okay. This
Okay.
gone.
Yeah.
Open the brackets, children.
X plus 2 minus x minus 3 by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 3 minus x minus 5 by x plus 5.
Okay. Plus 6 minus
X
6 plus
minus
6
x
minus
times x plus minus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by x plus 5 cross multiplication minus x minus 5 is equal
minus
to
x minus 5
minus
is
5
equal
is
to
equal to minus 2x minus 4.
minus 4. This comes here. This comes here.
2x minus x is equal to 5 minus 4. X is equal to 1.
X is equal to 1. Okay, children. So 27th question, children. Prove that 3 minus root 5 is irrational. So many times I said, children, 3 by root 5. First you have to put it as a by b. Children, bring this here, bring this here. 3 minus a by b is equal to root 5, children. So b you take LCM. 3b minus a is equal to root 5. Okay, if root 5 is irrational, this whole thing also irrational. You have to prove like that, children. Next, 28th question. Two tangents, children. Two tangents are drawn with circle. See here, children. See here, all of you. Two tangents are drawn like this, children. Okay, two tangents are drawn. Please copy, children. Don't say ideal, everyone. Please copy. Okay, so PA and PB, PA and PB. This is the center, children. Please see here. This is center O. Question is, we have to find that APB is equal to OAB. APB angle P is equal to 2 times of all of you. Please see here OAB. Children, we have to prove that x is equal to 2 times of y. X is equal to 2 times of y. We have to prove, children. How do you prove that, children? How do you prove that? X is equal to, so children, if this is X, this is K, because tangents meeting at a point are equal, so base angles are equal. Tangents meeting at a point are equal, so base angles are equal. So X plus 2K is equal to 180. X plus 2K is equal to 180. And children, see here, Y plus K is how much, children? Y plus K?
90. Tangent.
90, sir.
Radius is perpendicular to tangent.
Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Multiply whole equation with 2. 2y plus 2k is equal to 180. This is 180, this is 180. Equate both of them, children. X plus 2k is equal to 2y plus 2k.
2y
So
plus 2k cancel, x is equal to 2y.
X is equal to 2y.
So
Like that.
in the before question we got x is equal to 1 also.
Yeah.
But if we substitute that in x in the question, it's not forming an AP also.
By 4 form in AP, 1 by 3 you will get. This is 1 by 4 you will get. 1 by 5 you will get. Are they not in AP?
No, sir, you'll get 5 plus 1.
Huh? You are
1
not
by
getting
x
it.
plus 2 is 1 by 3, so 1 by x plus 3 is 1 by 4, 1 by x plus 5 is 1 by 6 now, sir.
Let it be. So what? Okay, let it be. So nice one, you know. You subtract this and this you see, this and this you see. Are they not getting same answer?
Okay, sir.
12 is 1 by 12. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4 is 12 is the LCM. 6 2 is 4 3 is minus 1 by 12. 6 2 is 4 3 is minus 1 by 12 I'm getting. Here also minus 1 by 12. Here also they are in AP only, no? They are in AP only. You check properly. Children, please concentrate. Please keep copying, children. Next question. Solve, children. This is 29th question. Please see here, children. 37x plus 43y is equal to 123. 43x plus 37y is equal to 117. Do you remember, children, how to do this now?
Add and subtract.
Once you have to add and once you have to subtract, children. On addition, on and subtraction. On addition, what do you get, children? 80x plus 80y is equal to 0, 4, 240. Once you subtract, children, minus, minus, minus. How much you will get, children, this subtract? Minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 6, children. Okay, so 81, 81s are 81s are 83s are, so x plus y is equal to 3, children, and 1s are 1s are 1s are minus x plus y is equal to 1, children. Okay, solve this both, children. X plus, okay, 1.
X cancel, 2y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1.
Like that, you have to do, children. Next, children, 30th question. Okay, 30th question. What is the 30th question, children? An integer is chosen between 70 and 100. Children, an integer is chosen between 70 and 100. Okay, find the probability that it is a prime number and divisible by 7. So, children, between 70 and 100, how many numbers are there, children? Between 70 and 30, 70, 100 numbers are there. 30 plus 1, 31 numbers will be there, children. 31 numbers will be there. All of you will put 30, children. No, children, it is 31. 31. 100 minus 70 is 70, 30 plus either 70 or 100. You should have 31 numbers will be there. If you want, you can check also, children. So 100 minus 70, 31 numbers will be there, children. Okay, so children, see here.
Prime numbers.
So next we have to find out how many prime numbers are there, children. Question is how many prime numbers are there. So children, how many prime numbers are there between 71 is a prime number, children.
71.
73, 79, 83, 89, 93, 97. These are the prime numbers, children. Anything I am missing, children? Any numbers I am missing?
Sir, 91.
91 is not prime. 37 is 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 7 by 31 is the 7 by 31 is the probability, children. Next, how many numbers are?
Even it should be divisible by 7 also.
Who?
In the question.
No. That is other question.
Okay, sir.
How many numbers are divisible by 7? After 70, what is it? 70 is divisible. 77. Next 84, and after 84, 91, 98. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 31 are divisible by 7 children. 5 by 31 are divisible by 7. 31st question children. No, 30th question only orbit children. 30th question only orbit. A bag contains 15 white and some black balls. 15 white and some black balls are there children. Okay, if the probability of drawing black ball, probability of drawing black ball is thrice the probability of drawing white ball, thrice the probability of drawing white ball. Okay, find the number of black balls in the black. So children, what is the probability of black, anyone?
X by 15 plus X.
15 plus x. What is the probability of white ball, children?
15 plus X.
This gone. So 45 black balls are there. 45 black balls are there, children. 45. A cubical block of size 7 centimeters is surmounted by a hemisphere. Children, a cube is there, surmounted by a hemisphere, children. Surmounted by hemisphere. Surmounted by hemisphere. Question is, what is the greatest diameter hemisphere? Hemisphere greatest diameter is 7, children. And find the surface area of the solid. Find the surface area of the solid. Children, do you remember, children? TSA minus area of the base plus CSA of the hemisphere. Do you remember this question, children? CSA formula what, children? 6L square plus CSA of hemisphere formula, children? 2 pi r square. Base formula what, children? Base formula minus pi r square. So 6L square plus pi r square. So 6 into 7 square plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Total is 7, children. So 7 by 2 is the radius. This is gone. 77 by 2, 38.5. 6 into 49 plus 38.5. 6 9 is 54. 6 2 94 plus 38.5, children. How much, children, that is? 332.5 centimeters square.
Sir, once can you explain me 30th orbit probability?
30th orbit. This one.
Yes, sir.
Probability of drawing a black ball is 3 times the probability of drawing white ball. Black ball is x by total. White ball is 15 by total. Total I cancel. So 45 black balls I got.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children. Next question, children. See here, all of you. Solve the following quadratic equation. 2x square plus 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Solve the following quadratic equation, they said, children. So
Splitting the middle term 4 and 2.
4 and 2.
No, sir. Sorry.
So first simplifying.
Let's simplify. Okay, x square plus
X square
2x
plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So
You
the
want
middle
it-
one would...
No, you can't split it. So what we'll do it by quadratic formula. You can't split this. We'll do by quadratic formula, children. What is the quadratic formula, children? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Please tell, children, minus 2 plus or minus under root of 2 square minus 4 into 1 into
1 into 4.
x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus 16 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 20 by 2.
20 by 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus...
Okay, plus or minus by 2, children. Okay. So once you take plus, once you take minus, children. X is equal to minus 2 plus 2 root 5 by 2. Minus 2 minus 2 root 5 by 2. Okay, children. So if you take 2 common and cancel, children, minus 1 plus root 5, and here minus 1 minus root 5. If you take 2 common and down and up, you can catch, children. If you want, you can cancel like that. Forget like this, children. Next, children, please see here. The sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers. Children, this what is the between two consecutive odd numbers with x? What is the other one, children?
X plus
A
1.
minus B, A plus
X plus 2. If one is x, the other one will be x plus 2. Children, two consecutive odd numbers, whether it is odd number or even number,
Odd.
the difference of them is 2 only. If one is x, the other one will be x plus 2. Okay, the sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers. The sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. The sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. One is x means other one. If this is say 3, 3 plus 2, this will be 5, like that, children. Okay. So how much, children? X square plus
X square plus x square plus 4, sir.
is equal to 394.
2x square plus 4 plus
2x square plus 4x minus 390 is equal to 0. x square plus 2x minus 1 za 9 za 5 za is equal to 0. Children, can anyone tell splitting factors for 195 and 2, children? 195 and 2 splitting factors. In exam you have to show children how you got also. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 13 and 10. No, children. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are
15, 30.
15 and 13. Yeah, 15 and 13. Correct, children. Compulsory you have to show children that how you are getting also you should show children. 15 and 13. 15 and 13 children. So x square plus 15x minus 13x minus 195 is equal to 0. X if you take common, x plus 15 minus 13 if you take common, x plus 15 is equal to 0. X plus 15 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 13. So two consecutive odd numbers are, if it is 13, the other one will be 15. If it is minus 15, the other number will be minus 13. If he asks positive means, because they ask for only positive, so answer is 13 and 15. Like this. Okay, children, next question, 34th. Next one, children. So questions like this. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 7 8 12, 7 8 12, 10 8 5, 10 8 5. Okay, children. Median you should find out, children. Yes, children, anyone? Median. 7 means cumulative frequency we should 7, 15,
15, 27,
37,
37,
40.
45, 50.
50 by 2 how much, children? 25.
25.
N by 2 of ICF. N by 2 of ICF. 25 won't lie before 7. Won't lie before 15. Yes, it lies before 57, 27. This is what, children? This is CF. And what is this, children? Median formula? L
L
plus.
plus n by 2
N by
minus
2 minus CF by F into H.
Okay, children, how much is median? 40 plus
Plus
5
25
minus. CF is how much,
by
children? 15 by frequency is how much? 12. And
12
class size is how much? 20, children. So how much is that, children? 40 plus 10, this is 10, 10, 200, 200 by 12 children. So 40 plus 100 by 6, 50 by 3 children. 50 by 3 children is 40 plus 16.67, that is 56.67 is the median. 56.67 is the median, like that you have to. 56.67 is the median. Hope you are able to understand, children. Please take practice, children. Various questions, if you do practicing only, then you will become perfect, children. Okay, next question. So, children, next question. Next question, see here, children. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Question is 8, P, 12, 13, 10. Okay, children. So, mean is how much, children? 27. Find P. Mean is 27, they only give, children. Okay, so this is Fi, children. What is Xi? Anyone? 0 plus 10 by 2.
5,
5,
5.
15,
15,
25,
25,
35,
35,
45. So children, Fi Xi we should put, children. Fi Xi. 8 5s are 40, 15 P, 12 5s are 60, 24 300, 13 5s are 65, 39, 45, 450. Okay, children. So
43.
how much is this? Is 20, 20 plus 30, 43 plus P, 43 plus P, and how much is this, children? This is 750, 750, 1150, 1150, 1150, 1200, 1245, 1245 plus 15 P, children. Am I correct, children? Can anyone try and see? 1245 ending.
Yes, sir.
1245 plus 15P plus 15P. So mean is how much, children? 27 is equal to sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi Xi by sigma
40
Fi.
plus
This comes here. So 27 into 43 plus p is equal to 1245 plus 15p. This into this, can anyone help me, children? 27 into 43 is how much, children? 216.
161.
1161. Huh?
Yes, sir.
1161 plus 27p is equal to 1245 plus 15p. Children, this goes here, this comes here, children. 27p minus 15p is equal to 1245 minus 1161. So 27 minus 15 is 12p, children. Okay, you are not able to see anything. How much is that, children? 12p. 12p is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, children. 14 minus 6, 8, children. 0. That's all. 84.
84.
P is
So
equal
P is
to
equal to 7.
7. P is equal to 7. That's it. Next question, children. See here. He's asking, children, they have given a minus 11, minus 7, minus 11, minus 7, minus 3, so on up to 49. What is the middlemost term he is asking, children? Middlemost term.
First, we find number of terms.
Yes, very good. First, we should find 49 is which term. If you find 49 is which term, number of terms you will get. An is equal to,
Equal to
A
a
plus
plus
n
n minus 1 into d.
okay,
49 is equal to minus 11 plus n minus 1 into
4, sir.
4.
okay, this comes here, 60 is equal to, n minus 1 is equal to 15. 16 terms are there. Children, if 16 terms are there, 16 by 2, 8 and 9 are middle terms. Children, for even numbers, 2 middle terms will be there, children. For even numbers, these 16 terms are even numbers. For even numbers, 2 middle terms will be there, 8th and 9th term, children. So, question is, find the value of middlemost terms. You have to find 8th term and you have to find 9th term also, children. You have to find both of them. You have to find what is 8th term and what is 9th term, children. Let's find 8th term. A8 is equal to
A plus n minus 1 or 7d. A9 is equal to A plus 8d.
A8 is equal to A is how much, children? Minus 11.
Minus 11 plus 7 into 4. A9 is equal to minus 11 plus 8 into 4. A8 is equal to minus 11 plus 28, 28. A9 is equal to minus 11 plus 32.
17
A8
and
is
21.
equal to
21.
17 and 21. Children, 17 and 21 are middle terms of this AP. 17 and 21 are middle terms of this AP. 17. First you find n, children. If you get n, how many middle terms are there? You will understand. Find their values. That's all, children. That is the question. Okay. So next question, children. Children, let's move on fast. Maximum number of questions. If you practice, children, you will become perfect. Next question. There is a question like this, children. 33 question. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Consecutive numbers means one is x, means what is the next one?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. Okay, sum of their squares
X
X
square
plus
plus 1 whole square.
X plus 1 whole square.
is 365. Is asking positive numbers. Yes, children, how to do this? Anyone?
Sir, X
X square
square
Plus-
plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 365.
Okay.
2x plus 2x is minus 364. Minus
Okay.
x square plus minus 1 plus 182.
So 182 splitting middle term, children. 2 9s are 1s are 13, 7s are 14 and 13, children. 14 and 13. 14 and 13 are splitting middle term, children. If you split middle term for 14 and 13, you will get the children. So split, children, x square plus 14x minus 13x plus 365. So children, how much it will be x into?
Sir, minus 182, sir.
182.
It's 182, sir.
Oh my goodness, minus 182, sorry. So minus 13 is x plus 14.
X plus
So-
14 to x minus 30.
Okay, x is equal to minus 14.
Is equal to 30.
For 13, the consecutive number is 14. So 13 and 14 are two consecutive positive integers whose sum is 365. whose sum of squares is 365. Whose sum of squares is 365. Like that you should do. Okay, children, you should be very, very careful while doing, children. If you do very, very easy, children, most of the questions will be there in board exam like this only, children, except very few questions where you will be little bit tricky. That's all. So, children, 2x square minus root 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, children. So question is find the roots using quadratic formula. Is asking using quadratic formula. Anyone? A is equal to 2.
A
Minus
is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus 2.
Okay.
minus plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2.
B square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus of minus root 5 plus or minus root 5 whole square minus
4 into 2 into minus
4 into 2 into minus 2
4.
by 2 into 2. So x is equal to root 5 plus or minus under root of 5 plus 4 to the 8 into the 16 by 4. X is equal to root 5 plus or minus root 21 by 4. So one is plus, one is under, one is minus, children. That's all. 34th question, children. Chalo, 34th question, not 34, 30, once again, 32. 32, okay, 31. Children, this question also very, very important. Already I discussed. Anyway, once again I am discussing. Find the ratio in which y-axis. On y-axis x coordinate is
0.
On y-axis x coordinate is 0. Divides line minus 4 comma minus 6 and 10 comma 12. Do you remember, children? I told how to do these questions. First, using 0 find ratio. Using 0 find ratio.
With
Using
ratio,
y.
find y.
That's all, children. Using 0 find ratio. Using ratio find y, children. Okay. What is xp formula, children? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. What is yp, children? m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So first let us use 0 and find out the ratio, children. So 0 is equal to m into 10 plus n into minus 4 by m plus n. This goes here. 0 is equal to 10m minus 4n. This goes here. 4n is equal to 10m. So m by n is equal to 4 by 10. 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 by 5. 2 is to 5. Using this 2 is to 5, now find y, children. So yp is equal to 2 into 12 plus 5 into minus 6 by 2 plus 5, children. So yp is equal to 24 minus 30 by 7. So yp is equal to minus 6 by 7. So what is the ratio, children? 0 comma minus 6 by 7 is dividing this line in 2 is to 5 ratio. Again I am saying 0 comma minus 6 by 7 dividing this line in 2 is to 5 ratio. Like that you have to. Using 0 find ratio. Using ratio find y. On y-axis x coordinate is 0. You should be very much perfect with this sums. Very, very easy sums. Okay. Next questions. I hope everyone are copying, children. Please don't sit idle and don't cheat yourselves. Please keep copying and practice them. Next question. 30th question, children. 30th question. So a bag contains 25 cards, 1 to 25. 25 cards are there, children. Directly 25 cards. A card is drawn randomly. What is the probability it is divisible by 3 or 5? He's saying 3 or 5. 3 or 5. Let us check. What are the numbers divisible by 3 or 5? It will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. These are divisible by 3. What is divisible by 5? 5, 10, 15,
20, 25.
25. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
13.
We won't take
By
this because it's already over. 11, 12. So how many are there, children? So 12 by 25. 12 by 25. I will not take this, children, but I will take this. Only 15 I won't take because it is there 2 times it is coming. Okay, this is one question. Another one is how many numbers are divisible by 3 and 5? 3 and 5.
1 by 25.
Only 15 is divisible by, so 1 by 25. Next, how many of them are perfect square numbers? How many of them are perfect square? 9,
3, 9,
25.
25.
9 and 25, that's all. So 2 by 25, perfect
2 by
square numbers. Okay, 30th only one more bit is there, children. Please see here. A bag contains white, black, red. white balls, black balls, red balls. Okay, children. The probability of drawing a white ball is 3 by 10. Probability of drawing black ball is 2 by 5. And probability of getting red ball. Find the probability of getting red ball. Total is 1. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. So R is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10 minus 2 by 5. R is equal to 10 is the LCM. 10 minus 3 minus 5 to the 2 to the 4. R is equal to 10 minus 7 by 10. That is 3 by 10 is the probability of only red. Now the question is, if a bag contains 20 black balls, bag contains 20 black balls. There are 20 black balls. In this only 20 black balls. So question is, find the total number of balls in the bag. What is the probability of black, children?
20 plus x
2
plus
by
x
5.
is
What is the probability of black? 20 by total number 2 by 5. 2 tens are 10 5. So total number of the balls in the bag is 15. Total number of balls in the bag is 15. If they ask someone,
Sir, 50 no, sir.
50, sorry, 50. If someone asks how many white balls are there, what you will do, children? 3 by 10 is equal to white by 50. 3 by 10 is equal to white by 50. So 15 white balls are there. Already red balls, this is among 15, 15 are white, 20 are black. Only 5 red balls are there. So children, it's very easy question. Only thing is, the only thing can do neatly, that's all.
Sir, after finding black or total number of balls directly we can say of other white and red balls, no sir. If 50 minus 20, 30. Both
30. In 30,
probabilities
how many?
equal. Both probabilities equal, no sir. So 15, 15, no sir.
Both
3 by
probabilities how equal? 3 by 10. Huh? Oh, I didn't see. Yeah, both probabilities are equal means equal. But they are not coming equal, no?
they're coming to 15.
Okay. Yeah, correct. 15, 15. Yes, true. Next one, children. Children, what they are saying means Ravita scored 10 more marks in, if she had scored 10 more marks in maths, if she would have scored 10 more marks in maths out of 30, 9 times these marks would have been the square of her actual marks. Okay, children? So, question, if she would have got 10 more marks in maths out of 30, 9 times these marks, 9 times of these marks, 9 times of these marks would have been square of her actual marks. Her actual marks is M. Her actual marks is M, children. Those who didn't understand, again I'm saying, let us suppose she got X marks in maths. If she would have got 10 more marks in maths for 30, 9 times of this marks will be equal to her actual marks in maths. Same, instead of M I kept X. So what will do, children? 3 3s are, 3 10s are, this goes here. 3 into X how much, children? 3X.
3x plus 30 is equal to 10x square.
10x square, bring this both here, children. So what happens? 10x square minus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, children. Children, how to do, children? How splitting the factors? Is it possible? 303 we want. 303. Is it possible? 2 150s are, 2 75s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 6, 6 2s are 12, and 5 5s are. 5 3s are 15, 5 to 10, 12. Yeah, 15 and 12. Yes, children. 15 and 12 are the splitting factors. Okay, children. So tell me, children. So 10x square minus 15x plus 12x.
12x minus 30 is equal to 0. 15x common.
Okay.
5x common. 2x minus 3 plus 4 common. 6 common, sir.
6 if it come 2x.
2x minus 5 is equal to, but
5
no.
2s are 5 2s are 5 3s are 6 2s are 6 5s are. There should come common. 15 2s are 30, 15 2 so 150 is no. 15 and 12 is wrong. 12 5 is 60, 180 you are getting. 15 and 12 are wrong factors. 5 is 15, 5 is 10, 10 is 12. 15 and 12 are correct on 12, 5 is 60, 180 you are getting. No? 5 is 15, 5 is 10, 10 is 20. 10 is 30, 10. Yes, children. What are the splitting factors for the 303? 2 150s are, 2 75s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 3s are. These are 6 6 to 12 and 25. 5 to 10, 10 to 20 and 15. Now, out of 30. And she got 10 more marks out of 30. 9 times of square of her actual marks. Okay. Not getting y children. So let's put in the formula children. Minus of
Formula.
minus 3 plus or minus b square minus 4 into 10 into minus 30 by 23 plus or minus how much children? 9 minus plus 9 plus 1200 by 23 plus or minus 12 not 9 by 20. And now children like this standard. Any mistake we did there children? Here Ravita scored 10 more marks in maths out of 30. 9 times this marks would have been the square of her actual marks. Okay, square of her actual marks. Okay, children. I understood. Let us not take this 30, children. Let us not take this 30, then you'll get the answer. Because if you take 30, here also we should take 30. Let's avoid that. Let's avoid that. So 9 times of this. Now you do, children, you'll get
9m plus 90 is equal to m square.
m square. Let us bring here
M square minus 9m minus 90 is equal to 0.
9 10 the 90 and 9. 90 and 9, any factors are there, children? At least 2 45s or 3 15s are.
Sir, 15 and 6.
15 and 6 are. 15 and 6 are.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it's not coming, then we'll take both sides 30 marks. If it's coming, no problem. 15 and 6, let's check, children. 15 and 6 plus 6m minus 90 is equal to 0. M is equal to m minus 15 plus 6 into m minus 15, children. So m minus 15 into, what is the answer, children? M plus 6 is equal to 0. M
M
is
is
equal to
equal to
15. Or m is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 anyway not possible. 15 marks originally. Originally she got 15, children. Originally she got 15. If she would have got 25. If she would have got 25. The square of this is 15, 15 is 225. This is 9 times. 9 5 are 45, 9 2 is correct, children. What we did is correct. Only mistake what we did means I took 30 here, I didn't take 30 here. Why to take 2 times? So I avoided it, I got the answer. That's all, children. If I take 30 here, here also I should take 30. Why to make it unnecessarily big? So I did not make it big and I solved it, children. Okay, 28th question, children. 2 concentric circles of 30, 10 and 6 are there, children. 2 concentric circles are there. One is 10, other one is 6. Please see here, children. One is 10, other one is 6. One is 10 radius, other one is 6. Perpendicular bisects the chord. What is the length of the chord? What is the length of the common chord? Children, if this is 10, this is 6. This will be how much, children? Pythagoras theorem. 100 minus 36 is 64, 8 it will be. Okay, 8. If this is 8, this is also 8. So answer is 16 centimeters. Length of the common chord is 16 centimeters, children. So 3 plus root 2 is irrational is equal to a by b. You should take, bring this here and prove root 2 is irrational. After proving root 2 is irrational, write down 3 plus root 2 is also irrational. Next one, children, 26th question. Take Tn is equal to 3 plus 4n. Take Tn is equal to 3 plus 4n. Find the sum of first 15 terms. Find the sum of first 15 terms of this AP. This AP means T1 is equal to 3 plus 4. T2 is equal to 3 plus 2. T3 is equal to 3 plus 3. 7, 11, 15. Find the sum of 15 terms, children. What is the formula for Sn, children? N by 2 into
Into
M
2a
by
plus
2
n minus
into
1.
2a plus 2 and minus 1 into d.
Okay.
15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus n minus 1 into 4.
Okay, 15 minus 1 into 4 children. So 15
15
by
by 7, 14.
44 is 56. 15 by 2 into 70. 35 children. 15 5 is 75. 15 3 is 45. 525 is the sum of 15 terms of this AP. This AP we got by using this formula. Tn or An is same children. Tn or An is same. Sometimes they will give Tn. Don't get confused unnecessarily. Substitute 1, 2, 3, you'll get AP. After getting AP, find sum. Okay, children. I hope you are able to understand. Next question.
Sir,
Yeah.
linear equations distance sum uses.
Linear equals distance sum.
Yes, sir.
What distance sum? This
Then,
one.
then no, sir. 600 kilometers. Then travel again. Delay, speed delay.
Speed delay that doesn't that comes. Huh? Do you have any one question ready with you or shall I open?
And she said,
Okay.
those
Okay. 1 second. Yeah, children. So linear equations distance sums if you want means they are like this children. They are very easy. One second, children. I'm searching because in quadratic equations they are there. In linear equations is it there or not? I'm searching. In quadratic equations, I think now not linear equations. Emma, is it quadratic equations or linear equations?
So linear equations ఉన్నాయి సార్ కాకపోతే అది it's the upstream and downstream.
No. In linear equations, what you asked is say there. See, once you check, but like this questions in linear equations is not there. I will show you. See,
sir,
it,
means distance like
I
600
know.
by x.
See. I will show you. Distance is equal to speed into time. Suppose, say a train moves 90 kilometers at certain speed and certain time. At certain speed and certain time. Had speed was 15 kmph more. Had speed was 15 kmph more. Okay, it would have taken 30 minutes less. It would have taken 30 minutes less. Like this question, so you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so 90 is equal to s plus 50. Time we will write it as what? 90 by s minus 1 by 2. 30 by 60 is 1 by 2. 90 is equal to s plus 15 into, okay, let's multiply, start multiplying. So 90 is equal to this into this is also 90. This into this is minus s by 2. This into this is 59 for the 1350 by s. This into this is 15 by 2. Please check children, this is this 0 minus s by 2 plus 1350 by s minus 15 by 2. Please check children this one. Okay. So what is the LCM children? 2s is the LCM. So children, 2s is the LCM. If you take 2s is the LCM, 2s minus s square plus s is gone. 2 into 1350 is 2700. So 2s 2 gone s minus 15s. This goes here. 0 is equal to minus s square minus 15s plus 2700 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to s square plus 15s minus 2700 is equal to 0. Okay, children, what are the factors for 15 and 2700, children? So what are the factors, children? 15 and 2700. 2715, children. Anyone? 3900 300 300 520 5 15 45 60 and 45 children. So 60s minus 45s minus 2700 is equal to 0. So s if you take
S into
common,
s plus 60 minus 45 into s plus 60 is equal to 0. S minus 45 into s minus 6 x plus 60 minus into s minus 45 is equal to 0. So
45
s is
kmph.
equal to 45 kph.
So time is equal to 90 by 45, that is 2 hours.
2 hours.
Normal speed is 45 kmph. Normal time is 2 hours without increasing the speed. Shall I say one more sum like this?
Okay, sir.
I will say one more sum like this.
Sir,
Okay, children.
equation forming you say, sir, how?
This is only equation forming. I am showing that only the equations forming.
According to word problem will.
This is word problem only there.
Yes, sir. According to field form equation also, that once you say, sir, how exactly?
Means I didn't understand what you are saying.
Means you did 90 is equal to s into t like that. All
Huh.
how exactly we should do that I have doubt.
How exactly means? Okay, one more sum I will show. I will be telling you. Tell me where you have doubt. Distance is equal to speed into time. Train travels 360 kilometers. Speed into time. Okay, so speed has been 5 kmph more. 5 kmph more means this is plus no.
Yes, sir.
If it is going fast, compulsory it will go in less time. If this is plus, this should be minus, or if this is minus, that should be plus. So it will take 1 hour less. It will take 1 hour less. Now 360 is equal to s plus 5 is okay, but instead of t, I kept 360 by s. Instead of t, I kept 360 by s. No, sir, instead of s, I want to means 360 by t. You should take. You will get time. Why time? Because they ask the speed. No, I am knowing time. Instead of t, I should keep 360 by s.
Okay.
So 360 is equal to this into this is 360 again. This into this is minus s. This into this is 1800 by s. This into this is minus 5. This gone. 0 is equal to minus s plus 1800 by s minus 5. 0 is equal to s LCM minus s square plus 1800 minus 5s. This go here. So 0 is equal to minus s square minus 5s plus 1800. So simplifying there, if you simplify the equation, what will be the equation? S square, change all signs, s square plus 5s minus 1800. 1805, what are the factors? Questions, 1805. What are the factors, children? Anyone? Sixty, 50, 30, 20, 65 to the 50, 50 to the 30. Yes, children, what are factors? 20, 10, 90.
Sir, 45 into 40.
45 into 40, yeah, fantastic. S square plus 45s minus 40. S minus 1800 is equal to 0. So S if you take common, S plus 45 minus 40 if you take common, S plus 45 is equal to 0. S plus 45 into S minus 40 is equal to 0. So S can be minus 45 or plus 40 kmph. If speed is 40, what will be the normal time? 360 by 40, that is 9 hours. Normal time is 9 hours. 360 by 40 is 9 hours. Normal speed and normal time is so and so. Like that we should do. One more sum you want? Is it enough?
Enough, sir. Yes.
Okay, children. So thank you so much. Again, we'll meet in the